Brassic Classics. This is the first video I've done. I'm just going to go through what we've got really, what's going to be featured. So to start with, we have a 1988 Volkswagen T25 panel van. Had this for a couple of years. It's a proper Brassic Classic. It comes complete with a few different blue colour paint, some rust because it's a Volkswagen. Inside I've done a few things, replaced the seats with some Audi A6 convertible seats because they're actually nice. So yeah, we'll be featuring that quite a lot. There's the back end. Yeah. Next up, much more interesting really, Series 3 Land Rover. As you can see, the gearbox is on the floor, so it's doing a bit of surgery. It's had quite a bad rear main seal oil leak, so I've removed that and we are part way through, as you can see. Hoping to get that back together next week. Yeah, this is as I said, a Series 3. It's from 1975, and it's pretty much original. It's got 26,000 miles on it. I know it looks a little bit ropey, but it's not bad. It's not bad. Then at the moment we have my sunken Land Rover. No, I'm only joking. It's just the roof. It does look like it's sunk, which is quite funny. And then we have the mystery next project. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, and I can't use that phrase anymore for obvious reasons. But if you've got any suggestions or guesses, feel free to comment. If you get it right, I'll let you know. Anyway, like I said, this is the first video. I'll have a gimbal next time, so it won't be quite so shaky. Anyway, see you soon. This is Brassic Classics. Subscribe, like, share. Thanks very much.